It is now time to install the 5000 BTU higher air conditioner because we are going to be getting finally some consistently hot weather. So I'm going to take this downstairs and install it. Alright, so this Fetter's 10,000 BTU air conditioner is getting swapped out today, and I'll explain why. That Fetter's air conditioner, it works just fine. It's just that the compressor, there's a lot of vibration from the compressor being transferred through the wall, and it's actually making the windows in the room next to it vibrate, which is really annoying. So I'm going to be swapping it out for a different unit. And the next ones I want to try in there are either that 6050 BTU GE, since I've never used that one in a big room before. And really 10,000 BTU is kind of oversized. Well, it doesn't need a 10,000 BTU, let's just put it that way. It's nice sometimes, especially when it's really hot, but I've had 6,000 BTUs in there before and they work fine as well. So I want to try that 6050 BTU GE from 2014, and I also want to try the 6500 BTU Sharp. So one of these two are going in today, either the Sharp or the GE. At some point, I'd like to try that 8000 BTU Samsung GE air conditioner. The 12,400 BTU is, well, I could mount it in the window, but I need to get something to go on the sides because this one doesn't have the side panels. As you can see, I did end up finding a rail to put on top of it. The 8500 BTU and 10,500 BTU Sharps are also some other options that I've been thinking of, but I want to try some other ones first. I got that Hotpoint 8400 BTU that I want to try in there at some point as well. That's a great unit. And that 8000 BTU Kenmore with the reciprocating compressor. That also worked really well in there last year, so that'll probably end up going in there at some point. But right now, I'm going to try, like I said, either the Sharp or the GE. Got the GE installed, let's see how it does. It's not supposed to be very hot today, but it is going to get hotter in the next couple days, so we'll be able to test it out pretty good. Quiet though. It is hot today, so I'm going to turn on the 7500 BTU Fetters. Put it on medium. It's starting to get cold. This one's working real nice. Runs real smooth too. This is another 7500 BTU next to the GE Slumberline. See if I can get it to stop vibrating. I don't know why it's doing that. That's better. Here's the 8000 BTU with the Sanyo compressor. I just want to start it up and see how it's running. This was run yesterday, even though I wasn't here to see it running, but start it up. That Sanyo compressor is very smooth. And the first 7500 BTU fetters that I started up yesterday, that one is still running upstairs. I'm going to turn on this Quasar air conditioner. It's very hot up here. It's really warm and humid outside. I'll let this run for quite a while. Cool it down in here. Quasar is getting nice and cold, and just because the Climatrol is on a separate circuit and it's really hot up here, I'm going to turn this one on as well. Also going to turn on this 5000 BTU Kenmore. This one hasn't been running in a long time.